I fell asleep last night, but Jamie made a full meal plan.
To kick our ass into gear.
Yeah. So this is what we're going to eat this week. The only thing getting us through today. Got a little restock of the Breezeberry Alani's. Yum. Look like a dad.
I am a daddy, baby.
Look at it. I have lost my fiance. I've looked everywhere. I found her. She just blended in with the oranges. 30 grams. Very high. Wow. There is so many points deals going on right now. Oh my God. Look at these cute little dishes we got from Target.
What do you feel like for dinner?
Meatballs.
Meatballs? Okay.
And Brussels sprouts.